9 Ways to Become Rich in 2022. Many people dream of being rich, though what that means varies widely among people of different backgrounds and experience. To some, it means never having to worry about expenses. For others, it is not working so many hours. Others define it as complete financial independence. No matter what your definition of rich is, experts offer suggestions for how to get on the road to greater wealth. What does it mean to be rich? Being rich means having time freedom and location freedom to do the things that matter to you, said Andrew Lokeneth, CEO of Fluent in Finance LLC. Wealth often comes first from being frugal. Many millionaires are wealthy because they know how to keep and invest their money, and not spend it on unnecessary things. Beyond frugality, Kyle Kroger, finance expert at The Impact Investor, extends the definition of rich to mean someone who regularly earned enough to be far from troubled paying their fixed expenses such as rent, electricity and other utilities, car maintenance costs, health insurance and educational expenses. Rich people know debt holds you back. If you're looking to get rich, stop carrying so much credit card debt, said Matt Dixon, RFC partner and financial advisor at True North Advisors. You need to organize your debt and start attacking the lowest balance first by paying as much as you can on that card, all while maintaining minimum payments on your other cards. This doesn't mean you should never use a credit card, but make sure you use it responsibly and make your monthly payments. Watch your risk. Additionally, consider whether you're playing fast and loose with your finances, because, Dixon said, wealthy people try not to take on too much risk and are very detail-oriented. Be selective about the opportunities you are going after. Make sure your portfolio is diverse. Try investing in real estate or land. A diverse portfolio can help you hedge against the ups and downs of the market. Start your own company and sell it later. If you've got an entrepreneurial spirit, consider starting a company you can sell for bigger bucks, said Jared Bauman, co-founder and CEO of 201 Creative LLC, a digital marketing agency. To be more successful, he said, it is preferable to come up with an innovative solution to a specific problem in the market and start a business around it. However, if you succeed, you'll reap enormous rewards. This is a common practice among wealthy individuals. Participate in a startup and receive stock. Startups still abound, and they're always seeking new blood. If you can acquire equity positions in one or more startup companies, you could make a significant monetary gain if the company thrives and floats or is sold to a larger enterprise, said Daniel Carter, SEO manager of Skyudel. While it is a small number of them that succeed on this scale, he pointed out, on this basis, early employees at Apple, Google and Microsoft became millionaires. Focus on your retirement plan. Retirement accounts, which are typically invested in the stock market and thus more likely to earn good returns, are a good way to build wealth for later on. If your employer has a retirement savings program for employees, make an effort to contribute to it, said Francis Lochnier, founder of thecostguys.com. Employers will contribute to 401k plans the same amount that you contribute toward your account. You can consider an IRA if your employer doesn't offer you a retirement plan.